It's your boy Aberdeen. Welcome to another edition of Aviation Insights. Hope you guys were able to catch my last videos. It's quite depressing that we do not tend to acknowledge and appreciate the young, talented people. There are a lot of people that are passionate about what they do, and they are very skillful and innovative. So today I'm going to be having Aliu. He's a young chap. He's good with what he does. Yeah. So first of all, he's going to introduce himself. I have some few questions to ask him. So Aliu, let the viewers know about you.
Yeah. Actually, my name is Aliu Mohammed. I'm called Musa Aliu, all the same. So I was actually born in Zaria. So I have the passion, I have the need and interest in building of anything aircraft. So by then, I actually generated my skills visiting aviation industries. For example, I do go to NCAT, that is Nigerian College of Aviation Technology, Zaria. So I go there, I watch how they carry out their maintenance, how their aircraft is built, how they fly, how they do all the activities there. So from there, I was actually generating more interest in aviation. So, but due to no financial assistance.
First of all, sorry to cut you short. Do you have any background in terms of academics that is related to building of aircraft that you said you do?
No, actually, I don't have any academic background. I actually developed the skills myself. There's no one that put me through.
That's quite interesting. So it's something that just came from
Exactly.
inside.
So it's just something that just came from me.
Yeah, so you said something about the financial aspect. So what are the specific challenges that you encountered? Was it that you wanted to go learn something, you were able to learn it, or you wanted to purchase a part that you were unable to purchase? So what were the specific challenges you encountered as regards financial aspect?
Actually, I wanted, let me say, financial assistance, someone that can actually take me to aviation school and I can learn more about aircraft and know more about, let me just have the knowledge about aircraft, more knowledge about aircraft.
Okay, do you have any recent work you've been doing or you've done before?
Are you talking about aircraft?
Yeah, aircraft.
Yeah, actually I've done a lot of models, as you can see. This is some of my works.
So you designed this yourself?
Exactly, yeah, I was the one that designed this.
This is like a Boeing.
Yeah, this is a Boeing 737.
Very interesting. So can it fly?
Yeah, of course, it will fly, of course. Because I'm still working on it.
So when it flies, can you take me to London?
Sure. If you can actually see someone that can sharpen my skills more, I'll actually do better than this.
So that means you're passionate about
Exactly.
Alright, so in 2-3 years, where do you see yourself?
Actually, in 2-3 years, I know I'll be more than this, and I know people will patronize me more than this, which I'm dreaming to have my own industry where we can start building aircrafts here in Nigeria, both UAV and manned aircrafts.
A lot of people, that's quite impressive. A lot of people are skeptical about drones. Some people feel that drones are going to take over their jobs. So what do you say? What do you think is the benefit of having drones on the ground?
Exactly. Like these kidnapping issues that we're having here in Nigeria. So if we can start using drones to survey all around, I think for example, this kidnapping issue, we can use drones to survey, and I think drones will do more better.
So you can design a drone that can...
Exactly, I design UAVs.
This is quite impressive. The viewers out there, you guys can see that there's someone that is quite talented in what he does. Yeah. So Today's episode is going to be short, but subsequently I'm going to have a series on him, some of the designs. We're going to take us through how he made some of these things happen. Yeah, so today is just a background check on him. So for the viewers out there, you guys should not miss this exciting and educational